Hey guys, here I am under my giant softbox because today I'm wanting to do a quick unboxing of the Kindle Paperwhite 11th generation. Now I've done a whole stack of other videos on the 10th generation Kindle Paperwhite, and so when I saw the 11th generation was coming out, I was super excited to get my hands on it and do some reviews. So today I'm just going to do a brief unboxing, and then the full review and comparison with the old Kindle will be coming out very soon, so keep an eye out for that. So let's get into it. Alright, so here we go. So this is the box. Obviously it's pretty much the same as the old Paperwhite box, more or less. It kind of feels bigger to me than the old box, but anyway, so let's just get into it. So it's got the pull tab here, like that. And then, oh yeah, it definitely looks bigger than the old one. At least the screen. I'm not sure about the actual body size. I'll get the other one to compare in a sec. That's it. And then we've got nothing else in the box that I can see. Nope. And then Kindle Paperwhite. Little box down here, the tab. So just some quick instructions, looks like. And then fairly thick manual. I guess it's just because it's got so many languages. Just some safety information, and then the USB-C charging cable, which is really good. I do like the fact that it's got the USB-C compared to the old micro USB, because yeah, then I can just use it with all my other chargers, which is great. I probably don't even need to keep this out. I can leave it in the box. So that's all of that, which is great. And the box, and then we've got the actual Kindle itself. So let's open that up. So yeah, and there it is. It feels very much the same. It's got the same sort of soft plastic backing on it, which is very much fingerprinty, as you can see. And then it's just got the one power button down the bottom by the looks. Yep. So if we power it on, there we go, it's booting up. So I mean, to me, the screen resolution and all that kind of thing looks very similar to the old one. To me, I'll grab the old Kindle to compare it to. Oh, here we go. So, English is my language, yep. Select your region. United Kingdom or United States? Well, I'm not in either of those. I'm in Australia, but I'd probably go United Kingdom is probably the closest. And it's booting up. Then we've got the setup screen. So it says you can set up on the device, or you can have the Kindle app on your phone to set up the device. I might try set up on my phone. So open the Kindle app on your phone. So we've got the Kindle app. So it's saying go to the app's More tab, Settings, Amazon device, simple setup. Allow Bluetooth. Interesting. So Kindle Paperwhite found on my iPhone, so get started. I actually didn't realize that the Kindle had this now, which is pretty cool. So it's signed in as Nick, link and continue. And there we go, connected to the Kindle app. That's pretty cool. I didn't realize it did that. It must have Bluetooth in the actual Kindle, which is new. I'm pretty sure the old Kindle didn't have Bluetooth, but there you go. So select your Kindle's Wi-Fi network. That's my network. And that one's been previously saved to Amazon, so I don't need to enter the password, hopefully. And there we go, got the little Wi-Fi symbol, it's connected. Success. Finish. So done with the phone. Hello Nick, welcome to your new Kindle. Let me just go next. An ad for Kindle Unlimited, no thanks. And there we go, we're back to the home screen. So immediately it definitely feels a little bit snappier than the old one, which is good. That was my main thing, it definitely feels quicker. Home. Yeah, it's downloading all my books and all my libraries. That was a super easy, quick and easy setup. I'm very impressed. And then just to compare it to the size of the other Kindle, or my old Kindle. So that's the old one there. So as you can see, it actually is a fair bit bigger than the original 10th generation Kindle. So you can see, yeah, the screen is significantly larger, which is cool, and the actual size of the Kindle itself is quite a bit bigger. So excuse the sweat, but you can see, yeah, it's a decent chunk bigger than the old one. But there you go. That is the 11th generation Kindle Paperwhite unboxed. Like I said, full review will be coming very soon. I'll compare it to the old Kindle Paperwhite. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, I hope you have an amazing week, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.